moving through onto exercise 3C. I'm just gonna tie this one up with expanding expressions. I know I did a little bit of it with you already. So when we're expanding, basically we're looking at that number outside the front of the bracket, which is doing the timesing. So 2 times x times the 5, so 2x plus 10. 2x plus 10. Now we're only asking you to expand. There's not much more you can do. You can't solve it. We haven't told you anything about that. So all you're doing is expanding. 2x, take 3. Okay, so that 3 goes in and it multiplies everything inside of that bracket. 3 times 2 gets me 6 and the x joins on. 3 times negative 3. All right, 3 times negative 3 gets me negative 9. Once again, there's no like terms. That's as far as you can go. With C, 3y, 2x plus 4y. Okay, that goes in and multiplies everything in there. 3 times 2 is 6 xy. 3 times 4 is 12. Y times y is y squared. Once again, can't add, there's no like terms, that's as far as we can go. Example number 9, got some negatives thrown in there. So we've got negative 3, x take 4, there we go. Negative 3 times x, negative 3 times negative 4, negative 3x, plus 12. Negative times a negative is positive. B, negative 2x, 3x, take 2y. Okay. Negative 2 times 3 gets me negative 6. X times x is x squared. Negative 2 times negative 2 gets me positive 4. And the x and the y join on. Okay, so we have already looked at example 10 together in class, but here's just a refresher of it. So just remember, it's always about the number that's in front of the bracket. So in this first example, in example 10, the 8 is just going to sit there for a bit. Expand your brackets with the positive 3 timesing in, and then that comes to 6x, take 9, and the 8 just joins on, and then you just collect your like terms. Similar with B, whatever the number is in front of the bracket goes in and times. So 3 times 2x gets you 6x, 3 times 2 gets you 6. Negative 4 times x gets you negative 4x, negative 4 times positive 4 gets you negative 16. Collect your like terms as you can see highlighted, and that leaves you with 6x take 4x gets you 2x, and 6